So as I mentioned in our live market breakdown last night, we're still in this bearish channel, but you can see that we finally broke this support here, which if you look on the daily time frame, it was this level here that pretty much kept us up in this whole structure, right? It used to be like all-time high, and then it finally broke it, and it was used as support, keeping us all the way up for months until finally we broke it on February. We had a little retest on Monday, but it didn't really break fully through. It came back in, used as support again, but then we finally broke it, used as resistance. And like I mentioned, once we break this zone, we'll definitely be trading most likely in these levels now, which I have them marked here. But if we look now on the 5-minute, looks like actually we're retesting it again. So we did have this break, but during Asia, you can see we've had this whole bullish uptrend literally all the way from Asia low. So I did want to enter. Damn, it looks like the move is actually starting right now. I did want to enter like this on New York pre-market high. I mean, I guess you can also enter here on London high, but this is really what I wanted to enter. We still have about 4 minutes, so maybe we will get a pullback. But yeah, it's pretty much, this would be a great setup because we have a key level here. Pre-market high is lining up with that. We have a target right here, London high, which is about like 75, 80 points around there. Pretty good setup there. We just need to make sure that price pulls back. And like I said before, me personally, I needed to pull back at least 25 points, like this, break 25 points, and then I'll go ahead and send the trade and get in it, because, you know, with my copier and all that, I want to make sure I don't have any copier issues. If it doesn't do that, I won't take the trade. I'd rather miss the move, come back tomorrow. And I am lowering my risk today. I'm trading micros on most of my accounts, my 50Ks. So same risk that I had on Friday. For those who trade with TradeSyncer, it worked pretty well for me with the micros. So on my live account, I have one mini. On my 150Ks, one mini, and then all of my 50Ks, I'm doing 5 micros, which is, you know, half of one unit of half of one mini. So $125 risk. But it worked pretty well. I was worried about like spreads and stuff, but no, it filled pretty good on Friday. Let me go ahead and put my sells here. Sells, yeah, I mean sells I wouldn't want to take until we break this trend line, break London lows, break this level here, and then we'll go and possibly target, which is Asia high right here. I would want to be out of the trade by then. I doubt we would even be put in that trade. Just start putting it now because we're just so bullish. And again, for that sells, I would be targeting 50 points. For the buys, definitely going to be targeting between like 75 to 50 points. I'll be trailing my stops pretty tightly. Got about a minute left. 10 seconds left. Really hope I get a pullback of at least 25 points so I can enter. Okay, there we go. Nice pullback. Complete flip. You see, that's why I never ever go into the market before 9:30. Never, never, never. Okay, I'm in the buys. Come on, we need a nice flip there. Okay, there we go. Nice, nice. Come on. They're a little slow today. Well, we barely pushed up, 28 points. Okay, there we go. Come on. Gotta take out this wick here that we made before. Okay. There we go. Probably gonna go break even, honestly. I don't like this movement. So I'm risk free on this trade, break even. Yeah, I'm gonna be taken out here. Probably. Yeah, I got taken out. Damn, barely broke. Didn't even get to a 1-to-1. But oh well. Done for the day. Saved capital. I don't like this setup anymore. It's whipsawing too much up and down. So yeah, break even day. Mine didn't get to a 1-to-1. Look, I mean barely 48 points, but I mean I was targeting right here. I wanted that to London, so. But look, good move getting out break even, because that was not a breakout. Completely failed to break out. So going break even was definitely the move. Preserve capital. I'm done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll post a trade recap in a bit. And yeah, tomorrow's the last day of March. Same thing. I'm going to go a light risk tomorrow. You know, on the defense side, preserve capital. And hopefully we end the month green. But yeah, guys, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining. Later, everybody.